Tower Wisconsin 4061 is ready to go.
Air Wisconsin 4061 West Just Tower, runway 34, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff,
Charlie Bravo,
34,
go ahead,
Wisconsin 4061.
Air Wisconsin, contact near departure, have a good day.
Departure 4061, good day. Our departure Wisconsin 4061, 1,300.
Wisconsin 4061, New York for the contact, flying maintain 7,000, turn left hang 270.
7,000, left turn 270, Wisconsin 4061.
Wisconsin 4061, contact departure 120.4, good morning.
20.4, Wisconsin 4061, good morning.
Center, Wisconsin 4061, 13, climbing 15,000.
Air Wisconsin 4061, New York departure, Newark altimeter 3038, maintain 15,000.
We're going to maintain 15,000, and we're having some flight control issues. We need to declare an emergency. We're going to divert. We're just thinking about Newark. Is that the closest airport?
Air Wisconsin 4061, I have LaGuardia Airport off your 9 o'clock and 10 miles, and Newark is straight ahead at 15 miles.
All right, stand by 1 moment.
Air Wisconsin 4061, if you want, amend your altitude, you can start your descent, maintain 11,000.
Down to 11,000. We'd like to go to Newark, please.
Okay, Air Wisconsin 4061, you're clear to Newark. Just so you know, they're landing and departing runway 4 right.
All right, we'll plan for 4 right, and we're down to 11,000, Wisconsin 4061, and we are having flight control issues here.
Okay, Air Wisconsin 4061, roger. Descend and maintain 5,000, fly heading up 240.
5,000 heading 240, Wisconsin 4061. We need to run a few checklists here.
Okay, Air Wisconsin 4061, no problem, sir. And when you get a chance, can you give me your fuel and your passengers on board?
15 passengers on board. We have about 2.5 hours of fuel.
Wisconsin 4061, contact New York approach on 12855.
2855, Wisconsin 4061. Wisconsin 4061, 12,000 descending, 5,000.
Wisconsin 4061 approach, good morning, altimeter 3038, and I'm told it's a flight control problem.
3038, that's affirmative, sir. Just got a couple of checklists to run here first, so let you know.
Alright, Wisconsin 4061, they're going to want to know the number of people on board and the fuel remaining in pounds.
Yeah, stand by, sir.
Air Wisconsin 4061, do you think it'll be a few minutes before you're ready to come in?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Wisconsin 4061, also just use caution, we did have an aircraft 675, hit 2 birds on around 30 around 3,000 feet about 20 minutes ago.
For 4061, the souls on board is 18. That's 18 souls on board and about 2.5 hours worth of fuel.
Okay, I'm sorry, Wisconsin 4061 is 18 souls?
Affirm 18.
Okay, 2.5 hours, thanks. And Wisconsin 4061, I was just sneak a couple in ahead of you there since it's going to be a few minutes for you, but I will keep you close to turn your staff out here in a minute.
Thank you, Wisconsin 4061.
Wisconsin 4061, heading 210.
210, Wisconsin 4061.
And Wisconsin 4061, can you advise what type of flight control problem you have?
Yeah, just stand by, sir, please.
Wisconsin 4061, left heading 180.
Left heading 180, Wisconsin 4061.
Wisconsin 4061, left heading 130, are you ready to come in yet?
Left turn to, I'm sorry, you said 130?
That's correct.
Left turn to 130, and we are. Can we get 4 left for 4061?
Absolutely. You can give us whatever all you need.
Yeah, we'll take 4 left, please.
You got it. Wisconsin 4061, heading 130.
Heading at 130, 4061.
Wisconsin 4061, again, can you elaborate on the flight control issue?
It's, our STAB and MACH trim will not engage, so, it's, the pressures on the controls are quite significant. It's hard to control the aircraft.
Okay, thank you very much. Air Wisconsin 4061, descend to 3000, heading 080.
Down to 3000, heading at 080, Wisconsin 4061.
Air Wisconsin 4061, they have the runway 4 left localizer up. Position is 8 miles from M-Bay, heading 070, 3000 feet established on the localizer, clear out runway 4 left approach.
Alright, 070, 3000 till established, clear the ILS 4 left approach, Wisconsin 4061.
Air Wisconsin 4061, contact Tower 18.3, good luck.
Alright, Tower 18.3, 4061, thanks for your help. Tower Wisconsin 4061, ILS 4 left.
Wisconsin 4061, top continue inbound. There'll be a couple of departures there, Friday arrival. Emergency equipment is standing by.
Alright, we'll continue 4061.
Wisconsin 4061, last departure is on the road now. Runway 4 left, at 10309, clear to land.
Alright, clear to land 4 left, Wisconsin 4061.